Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna go through to show you guys what I do when I do my makeup for the day. So when I go to work, it's just a simple neutral look that I just kind of put on and go. I haven't really actually timed this to see how long it takes, but it's probably right around 20-25 minutes. It depends on how in depth I want to do my eyeshadow. So without further ado, I suppose we'll get started here. Okay, first I start out with priming my face, and I use the Almay 5-in-1 primer here. And this says it refines, corrects, perfects, hydrates, and mattifies. Okay, so once that's on, it does feel kind of sticky almost a little bit, which is fine because I feel like it helps my foundation stick better. So I am going to go in with the Maybelline Dream Liquid Mousse Airbrush Finish. This is in the shade Classic Ivory. So I'm just going to take my damp beauty blender here and put a couple pumps on. Okay, so as you can see, that gave me some pretty good coverage. During the day, I don't like my coverage to be too full coverage. I'm usually more of like a medium to light coverage kind of girl anyways, so that's why I really like this foundation, because it doesn't feel too heavy. I can't even really tell that I have foundation on my face, so that's nice for me because I want it to feel more natural. Next I'm going to go in with this IT Cosmetics Bye Bye Pores Pressed Airbrush Silk Pressed Anti-Aging Finishing Powder. I believe I got this in one of my Ipsy bags. I've been using it quite a bit lately, and I really like the finish it leaves on my face. So I am just going to go ahead and take this Luxie blush brush, it's 514, and I am just going to swirl this around in there. Just kind of sweep it along my face here. It says to do it in circular motions, so that's how I've been doing it. Okay, so now that I have the base of my face done, I have my foundation and my powder done. I'm going to use this Urban Decay Eyeshadow Primer Potion. I have been loving this stuff. It really makes your eyeshadow stick. Okay, so now that I have my eyeshadow primer on, I am going to go in with the Tarte High Performance Neutrals. And here is a color palette here. It's very neutral. It's well loved. I use it quite a bit, like I said. This is an Amazonian Clay eye palette. So throughout pretty much this whole look, I will be using the Morphe M433 brush. It's one of my favorite brushes. So to start out with, I'm going to go in with this color, and I'm going to use that to set my lid. Okay, now that I've set my lid, I'm going to go in with my transition shade here, and I'm going to go in with this top color here. Okay, now that I have that transition shade in here, I'm going to go in with this color right here. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with this color clear down here in the corner. And just work that right here. in the crease. Okay, so now I'm going to take a pencil brush, and this is the Morphe E18. I'm going to take that darker color I did right here, just a little bit on my brush. And just kind of bring it down a little bit. I feel like it just really brings the eye look together. Okay, and so since this is a daytime look, I'm going to just use a little shimmer. This is just a light shimmer. I'm going to put that on my brow bone. Again, I'm using the pencil brush, the E18. And then I'm also going to put some right here in the inner corner. Okay, so now that the eyeshadow is done, I'm going to go on to the eyeliner. I go back and forth between a liquid liner and a pencil. If I'm in a hurry, I'll just slap on some pencil eyeliner. But if I have a little more time, I like to use a liquid liner, and I got this one, I think, in one of my Ipsy bags. It's the M Cosmetics, or EM Cosmetics. I'm not really sure how it's pronounced. So I'm just gonna end up doing just a small wing. It's not gonna be anything too dramatic. Okay, so now that the liquid eyeliner is done, for the top lid, I'm going to go in with the Kajal Vasanti Waterline Eyeliner in Intense Black. This is a pencil. Okay, so now that I have all my eyeliner on, I'm going to go ahead and move on to my eyelashes. I'm going to curl them first, and then I'm going to go in with the Mad Lash Black mascara, also I got in my Ipsy bag. So the brush for that looks like this. And then I go in with the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara, and I use a brush that looks like this. That way it really separates my lashes and distributes the mascara evenly. Okay, so now that I have my eyes done, I'm going to go in with some bronzer. I just normally do this just to warm up my face. I don't do any contouring or anything. This is the What Up Beaches Matte Bronzer. And I'm going to go in with my Luxie 514 blush brush. Okay, so now for blush, I've been going back and forth between the Milani Baked Blush in Dulce Pink, and the Model Co blush in Peach Bellini. Today I'm going to do the Milani. It's a very pretty color. Again, I'm going to go in with my Luxie 514 blush brush. And now for highlighter, I'm going to go in with the Milani Strobe Light. I'm going to be using the Real Techniques setting brush. And just for the lips, I'm going to go real easy, and I'm going to use the NYX Butter Gloss in Creme Brulee. So this is my go-to look if I do my makeup for work, or if I'm just gonna go shopping. I usually just stay pretty neutral, pretty simple. So now I'm just gonna get right into my very small Ulta haul I did the other day, and I also got a couple things from Target the other day that I want to share with you guys. And I've only been using those for a few days, and I've been really liking them. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got. So let's just go ahead and get started. First, I'm going to start with my Ulta haul. Like I said, there was only a few things in here. First thing I got was the Real Techniques Miracle Complexion Sponge, and I did get a 2-pack, so I've already started using that. You saw that earlier in the video. I had to get more of these because my cat likes to steal them and hide them. She almost got away with the one I just opened the other day, and I had to chase her down and get it. So I got a 2 for this time. Okay, so next thing I wanted to try was, since I like their foundation so much, I wanted to try a powder. So I got the Maybelline New York Shine Free Oil Control Loose Powder. This is in the shade Light. So it just looks like that. It's just a loose powder. So I'm pretty excited to try this. I also got a Maybelline brow pencil. I've been using powders for my eyebrows, and I wanted to try a pencil. So I got the Total Temptation Brow Definer. It has a defining brow pencil and a fluffy spoolie to kind of blend it out. And I got the shade Blonde. So I'm hoping that's a good shade for me. I don't like my eyebrows too dark. You know, even during my daytime look, I don't even put anything in my eyebrows usually. So, but when I do more dramatic looks, that's when I fill in my eyebrows. So I'm hoping this is good too, and I will let you guys know. And then for my next Maybelline, I got the Instant Age Rewind Eraser Dark Circles Concealer and Treatment in the shade Fair. So this says it's for dark circles, so it's basically a concealer for right under here for when you want to look more flawless. So I'm pretty excited to give that a go. It has a nice little like cotton ball at the top of that. And then I also got some dry shampoo, Batiste. Not sure if that's how you pronounce it. I probably should have gotten the one for the dark brown hair. When I sprayed it in, you could still kind of see a residue. So, but I will continue to use this because I'm sure this will fade because it's colored. So, and this smells really good. I don't really like the smell of some of the other dry shampoos I've used. They smell too perfumey, if that makes sense. They have, if you have ever gone to Ulta, you'll know they have a clearance aisle basically, and I got a few of these things in the clearance section. So I got this Smoke and Smudge maybe automatic gel pencil in purple. It looks like that. So there it is on the hand, if you can see it. Since I like to do purples on my eyes, I thought this would be good, especially for like a lower lash line color. I also got a couple of lipsticks, and I kind of got some more kind of bold colors. Okay, so the first one I got is called Mystic Violet. So there's the color. I'm actually pretty excited to try it out. Thought about maybe doing like a wacky Wednesday or something. And then the next one I got is called Dashing Raspberry. It's a Moisture Renew lipstick. And this is a Rimmel lipstick. Ooh, that one went on really smooth. So here's the one, the Rimmel I just put on, and it went on, it's very pigmented, it went on really nice. Towards this one was kind of blotchy when I put it on my hand, so that makes me more excited to want to try that because it did go on really smooth, and I tend to have drier lips anyways. So a few of the things I got from Target that I really liked was this Biore Charcoal Self-Heating 1-Minute Mask. I've only used one so far, and this comes in a 4-pack. I think it was like $5.99, so it's really not that expensive for 4 masks. And it says you can use it 2 to 3 times a week. So it's been 2 days since I've used it, so I will probably use it tonight. When you put it on, your face has to be wet, and when you put it on, it heats up real good. So don't let that alarm you. It doesn't burn you or anything, but it does heat up. It feels really nice, actually, when you're massaging it around your face for the minute. And then after you wash it off, it feels nice and tingly and cool, and it just like it drew out all of those nasty pores of yours. So if you tend to have more of an oily face and you have a blackhead problem, I would recommend this. Even though I've only used 1 mask, I really like it so far. So the next thing I got was I've been using just a Mary Kay Time Ways moisturizer for my face, and I have felt like maybe it hasn't been doing much anymore. So I decided to try something new, and since I always wash my face at night, I wanted something heavier, like thicker, that would absorb more into my skin rather than just a light moisturizer. I wanted more of a heavy duty cream, so I got this Aveeno Active Natural Positively Radiant Intensive Night Cream. And you don't need much. I mean, a little goes a long way, so you'll definitely get your money's worth out of this. And I have combination oily skin more so, and I do not feel like this makes me oily. I don't know. It just doesn't make me oily. My skin just seems like looks healthier and looks more glowy. So yeah, just let me know if there's anything else you'd like me to review or try out, or if any other looks you'd like me to do. I know spring is here now, finally. So I will be putting some more bright colored looks on, some fresh looks, not so smoky. As usual, make sure you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below, and let me know if there's anything else you'd like to see. Until next time, thanks for watching. Thanks, guys.